Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Arctic Fox Cosmic Sunshine hair dye. As you guys can see, I'm obviously not wearing it right now, so I will be inserting videos and photos of my hair when it was dyed using that color. I usually dye my hair purple or pink, but I decided to go out of my comfort zone and I dyed my hair bright yellow. And that was really fun, honestly, going to something so out of my comfort zone, and I ended up loving it. So when I first dyed my hair yellow, I used mainly Cosmic Sunshine, and in some pieces I did use Neon Moon. But near the top you can kind of see where it was just mainly Cosmic Sunshine, and Cosmic Sunshine is definitely more toned down than Neon Moon. Comparing them, Neon Moon is like the neon, bright neon sister to Cosmic Sunshine. I personally prefer Neon Moon, but that's just because I like super bright, vibrant colors. Cosmic Sunshine is beautiful. It's more of an orangey toned yellow. If you don't mix anything else into it, it is more of just a yellow, like a normal yellow, no brightness to it, just like a normal yellow with a tinge of like orangey tones in it. The lasting power on it is really great as well. Neon Moon was probably a 10 out of 10 for lasting power. I'd say Cosmic Sunshine lasted about as well. I'd say it faded just a tiny bit faster than Neon Moon did, so it'd be like a 9 out of 10. So still very good lasting power. Like, it lasted a long time. Like, we're talking like 2 months. Like, it lasted really well, and that was with swimming in chlorine pools. Every time I would come out of the pool, you know, I'd wash my hair to get the chlorine out, and after it would dry, I would look and see how faded it was, and honestly, it didn't get faded, like, at all. It honestly didn't fade until I started, like, washing it normally to get color out, so it lasted really well. It's not patchy at all. It has full coverage, which I really appreciate. I hate when you have to re-dye stuff very often, so it is very pigmented. It doesn't transfer or stain, which I love. It might tinge your tub a bit, so keep that in mind. For me, like, all hair dyes usually like tinge the bottom of the tub, but I honestly don't care. But it didn't stain like clothes, and it didn't stain like pillowcases or anything like that. Neon Moon did ever so slightly when it was like damp, but Cosmic Sunshine didn't really stain at all for me. As always, Arctic Fox is one of my favorite hair dyes, and I think the price point is pretty decent. You have 2 size choices. You can get the 4-ounce bottles, or you can get the 8-ounce bottles. I typically go for the 8-ounce bottles if I know I'm going to be keeping a color a while. You can mix conditioner into it, but like if you want to lighten the color or like make a color last longer, but it will dilute it a bit. Arctic Fox is cruelty-free and vegan, which I like. I'm slowly getting myself to just be cruelty-free because that's something really important to me. So I really love when hair dye brands are cruelty-free. You can also get Arctic Fox at Sally's. You can order them on Amazon, and I believe you can order them off their website as well. I usually just go to Sally's because I have one in my city, so I just go and pick it up, and then I don't have to wait for it to ship. Overall, I really do like this hair dye. My favorite out of the yellows is still Neon Moon, but Cosmic Sunshine is beautiful in its own right. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.